Only pencil. Hello students, so today we are going to start the new chapter, that is locating place. What we are going to learn in locating place? Maps and reading maps. Now come to this. So you have to unscramble the landmarks represented on the map. Okay, so first one, I think the second one, it's a mall, MALL. The third one, the fourth one is temple. Okay, first and third, it's your homework. You have to unscramble it. So now come here. You invite a friend to your home other than your address. You also give him the direction to reach your home. You also give some important landmarks to your friend. Let's help him locate your house easily. This is called mapping of neighborhood. Mapping the neighborhood can be done on maps. Okay. So आप suppose you are inviting your friend and you give him the direction कि आपके वो घर तक आ जाए. ठीक है, तो आप एक लैंडमार्क बताएंगे कि देयर इज इन टेम्पल, देयर इज समथिंग, उसके ही नियर बाय देयर इज माई होम. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड मैपिंग, दैट यू आर गिविंग डायरेक्शंस. ओके, मैपिंग द नेबरहुड कैन बी डन ऑन मैप्स. तो अगर हमें मैपिंग करनी हो तो वो कहाँ पे हो सकती है? इट कैन बी डन ऑन मैप्स. वॉट इज मैप? Maps are drawing usually on a flat surface that help us to find places easily. There are different types of maps. Okay, so map is just like it happens on a flat surface. They find like it. First of all, the purpose of map is to find places easily, and second, it happened on the flat places, not flat places, flat surface. Okay, now come here. Now there are four types of maps. First is physical map, then second is political map, and then we have thematic map, and then we have atlas. Okay, so types of map may first we will learn about physical map. The map which shows landforms like mountain, plateaus and water bodies like rivers, oceans. Oceans का spelling wrong है यहाँ पे, so please correct it. एक्सेट्रा आर कॉल्ड फिजिकल मैप. तो फिजिकल मैप जो मैप्स आपको प्लेट्यू शो करे, वाटर बॉडीज शो करे, एंड देन माउंटेन्स शो करे, दैट इज अ फिजिकल मैप. Okay, now second is political map. Some map shows countries, states, cities, boundaries. तो आपको फिजिकल मैप में ऑल द लैंडफॉर्म्स, प्लेटूज ये सब मिलेंगे, बट पॉलिटिकल मैप में आपको क्या मिलेगी? कंट्रीज, सिटीज एंड बाउंड्रीज, ये सब मिलेगा. एंड देन देयर आर some maps which show a theme and information about roads, tourist attraction and weather, etc. These are called thematic map. So कुछ मैप्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आपको थीम शो करते हैं कि यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिल सकता है. देयर इज अ रिवर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वेदर इट विल बी देयर, और टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन क्या होता है. तो देयर आर सब फ्यू सिम्बल्स विच इज यूज ऑल्सो इन थेमेटिक मैप. So that is called thematic map. And now atlas. Atlas is people often carry maps when they travel to new town, city and country. So atlas, it's not actually a particular kind of map. It's a book of maps. Like if you're going somewhere in different country or in different city, so you will carry with yourself that atlas. Okay, atlas आपके किस काम आएगा? टू ताकि आप उस जगह को ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ पाएँ. So this is a physical map. You can see that this, here we have plateaus, we have northern plains here, and then downside here we have Thar desert. So these are physical map. This is a physical map. You can see ocean, and this is a political map because this is how the boundaries are given there. Here you can see in center we have this we have boundaries. It is similar. It is our Madhya Pradesh, so it is showing a state, है ना. अगर आप ऊपर देखें तो देर इज लाइक देर इज इन स्ट्रक्चर, लाइक द बाउंड्रीज आर लाइक ऐसी हैं कि आपको पता चल रहा है दैट दिस स्टेट इज अवर कश्मीर, है ना. सो जम्मू कश्मीर है, और नीचे जाएं तो वी कैन सी थ्रू बाउंड्रीज दैट विच स्टेट इट कुड बी. तो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है क्या? नो, हियर हमें ये दिख रहा है कि क्या फिजिकल फीचर्स हैं, जैसे नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स हो गया, डेकिन्स हो गया, थार डेजर्ट हो गया. सो हियर हमें फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया दिख रहे हैं, एंड हियर वी कैन सी द structure of like boundaries of states and countries. Okay, now this is a thematic map. In thematic map you can clearly see that आपको ये पूरे symbols भी हैं, आपको ये भी signify किया जा रहा है कि कौन से कलर में आपको क्या चीज़ मिलेगी. ओके द वेदर एंड एवरीथिंग कि यहाँ पे आपको वाइल्ड ग्रीनरी मिलेगा, विच काइंड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट यू विल फाइंड हियर. सो देर आर 3 types ऑफ मैप एंड एटलिस्ट इज वॉट दैट बुक्स ऑफ लाइक बहुत सारे जो मैप्स होते हैं एक साथ दिए होते हैं, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एटलिस्ट. नाउ टर्न द पेज नंबर 112. 112, time to answer. Tick the right correct and statements and cross the incorrect one. Maps always confuse us when we try to locate places. False. Thematic maps gives us information about road, weather, tourist attraction. That is true. Physical maps represent various landforms, water bodies of place. So that is also true. And a book of maps is called political map. That is false. That is called atlas. Okay. Now an एक और चीज do you know में है, that is cartographers are the people who study and make maps. The study or practice of making maps is called cartography. तो जो लोग those people who make maps, they are called cartographer, and the practice of making maps are called cartography. So we will continue in the next video. In next video we will learn reading maps and how to read maps and what are the like landmarks symbols, कैसे रीड किया जाता है मैप को with the help of colors on map, direction on maps, compass के through. So these are we are going to continue in the next video. So